guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and today we're going to be talking about the Adore Me Elite Box, and I'm so excited to share about this. So the Adore Me Elite Box is a monthly subscription that you guys can sign up for and literally try on clothes at your home. We love that. It's literally like just getting a gift for yourself. So each box includes 3 to 5 products from $39.95 to like $59.95. Super affordable. You have like 7 days to try it on, and you keep only what you want, and then you can send back the rest. And bonus, yes, you do get a return label, and we love that. So when you figure out what you do and what you don't want, all you have to do is literally repack your bag and send that baby back. So how does it work? Click the link in the bio to get started. You know the deal. Basically, within this link, you're gonna go through a range of questions to kind of figure out what you like and what you don't like, what types of bras you like, what type of sizes you are. I mean, they're size inclusive, so even I have the opportunity to have some really cute stuff in my wardrobe, so I'm really excited about that. The quiz is very thorough, so they're gonna get you right almost all the time. So like, honestly, I'm really digging the products that I've gotten. So yeah, it's basically worth it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I'm so excited about all the cute little things that I got in my box this month. All right, so to get started, I'm wearing this 2-piece pajama set. It's this cute little dog detailing. It's really nice. It's like perfect for the holidays now that we're kind of like chugging into it. And I love to get my holiday stuff early. So I was actually really excited about this because first of all, it's very cute and it fits really great. The buttons do button really nicely. It's very oversized, so I feel very comfortable in it. We do have these pants. They do go over the bottom. They go up into the high-waisted area of me, and they feel just very good and stretchy. We do have this bra here. It's an unlined bra, and I believe this is called Celestine, and this set is called Maggie. The Celestine bra and the panty set are so comfortable. I don't have any spillage happening here. It just overall feels very in tune to how I dress. It's very lightweight. It feels really nice on the girls, and not only that, but like I don't feel like there's any spillage happening, and I don't want to show everything because this is the internet world, but like this feels really good on, and I really do love it. So I'm wicked excited about this bra set, this pajama set, and I just feel like very cute and sexy. So yeah, definitely a win in my closet, and I cannot wait to show you guys what else I got. So next up we have this Stacy unlined bra, and it is so comfortable and so nice. I'm trying to get a little comfortable showing you guys obviously these products because like I'm a little shy to show like the bras and stuff like that, but this is like super cute. I love the lining, I love the detailing, I love how it looks. It's very soft on the skin, and it's very comfortable. There is a little spillage in the back for me, but that is not a loss because I feel like it's not a lot. So like we're good in that department. I really do love their bras. Like I have so many Adore Me bras, it's not even funny, because like I love affordable, and I love to look cute and like pair up cute little, you know, panty set bra sets, because I don't feel like they're always available for us in other retailers. So having this opportunity to like have something like super cute and very girly really makes me super excited. So definitely love this. I'm wearing a 40 double D. Like it fits so good, and literally can't get enough. So let me put on my top so that I can show you guys this lounge set. So this lounge set is super cute. It's in the color gray, and this is in the style Jayden, J-A-Y-D-E-N. Love this set so much because you can cinch the sides, you can show a little peekaboo on the hips. I mean, it's super comfortable, it's lightweight, and it feels amazing. This product does have pockets. We do have a cinched ankle. Like you guys, I absolutely love this, and I think it's super girly and so cute. Like I cannot get enough. I love the style like that it is. I love how it looks over the bum. Like going over the bum is always a plus. Like your girl is in love with their loungewear pieces all the time. You guys already know the deal because I always talk about it, but like I love their stuff. Like so comfortable, so cute. Like I love a matching set. Like I just love it. So definitely recommend, and I am wearing a size 3X, so definitely get you one. So last but not least, I ended up getting this dress here. This is called the Romania dress in the plus size section of Adore Me, and I absolutely love this. Like it's so cute. You can cinch the sides here and kind of bring that up just to give it a little bit of more of a ruching sex appeal, and it's really, really cute. I love this personally because I feel like I can dress it up or dress it down. It's a very casual piece for like in the loungewear department, and it really makes me excited to have it. So with this, I can definitely go ahead and pair it up with a robe. I love Adore Me's robes because they're so comfortable, and not only that, like they're plus size approved, okay honey? Like we even got the long band, we even got the long string to get it all together, and I feel like something like this is definitely like sexy and mysterious and just gives it a whole other level, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like glam and rich and like all of these things when I wear literally Adore Me's products. Like I feel like my life is together because I have really cute loungewear sets, pajamas, bras and panties, lingerie, you know what I mean? I just feel so sexy all the time. So I absolutely love this. Like I'm really excited to just like wear this, you know, have a little date night, have some wine, like be super cute. It just makes me so happy. So I literally so like 10 out of 10 highly recommend. So I really do love everything I've gotten in this elite box, and I'm so excited to keep a couple of these things. So you know, I'm gonna be out here looking really cute, and yeah, I'm super excited. So I think that's it for this video. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys all for stopping by, checking it out, you know, just hanging out with me and trying on some clothes because I love cute lounge. I'm a very comfortable person, so this is definitely my personality and my root. As you can see, I'm like excited today. So I am loving everything I've got. I think I'm gonna keep everything, honestly, because like why not? And not only that, but like I just feel like cute, I feel put together, I feel sexy, and I think that's what matters most, right? Is like that self-confidence. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and showing so much love per usual. I will check you guys out in the next video, and yeah, I guess that's it. Bye.